Guys, it's Maymay, and guess what? It is time for our original Stamp Club stamp reveal. The first one for 2021. Can y'all believe it's already 2021? This is our January set, and I have to tell you, Shannon and I have been making samples this morning, and we've had so much stinking fun. This might possibly, Shannon's in the room with me, so we'll talk. This might possibly be my favorite set.
It's adorable.
Why do I always say that? It's my favorite set. But it is. It's awesome, isn't it? Look at my inky hands. Are yours inky or is it just me?
Yes,
Do you get inky?
I'm inky.
Look, come on in.
I'm inky.
We're all inky together. So, all right, we have 3 samples to show you, but first you want to see the stamp set. I know you want to see it. But before we do that, it's the first of the year. Why not sign up for the Stamp Club? The information's in the description below for you. You get a new first release stamp set every month. It's only $11.99 if you're in the US. It's only $13.49 if you're outside of the US. And you then get a coupon code as a club member to get you 15% off most of your purchases in our store. And I really mean most. There's very few things that are excluded. So check out the information about that. It's a great time to start because we're going to have a really fun year. All right, guys, ready for this? This is another one of those. This is going to be upside down. Always. I never do it right. Always. This is going to be another one of those years of Maymay's doing what she wants. I have done so many stamp sets that it is time for me. Like I've tried to in the last couple years just do what I want. And I think this is one of my faves. Okay, here we go. Enough talk. Here we go. Welcome to Monster Maker. Are you kidding me? I promise you, when you see our samples, the thing about this set is it is virtually unending what you can do with it because a monster can look any old way you want. His eyes can be at the top, they can be at the bottom, they can be one-eyed, 5 eyes, it doesn't matter. There's so much you can do. So let's look at our sentiments because those are some of my favorites. So the first most important sentiments are these two. These silly monsters say, and this silly monster says. So if you want to put one monster on the page, you can, or multiples. And look what they say. I see how awesome you are. Ah, it's your birthday. You're my kind of creature. You're the best. I'm your boo. I love that one. Sending you monster hugs. Your smile gives me goosebumps. And have a monstrously great day. Plus, you get eyes, mouths, horns, antenna, you name it, they're on the list. Okay, let's look at the samples because then you'll really be able to see them, right? I think they're so cute. Let's start with my first one I made. We'll go with the first one and look. How stinking cute are these monsters? You can do anything. I gave this guy 3 eyes. Then, like, this guy has wings. By the way, those are on the stamp set. I don't think I pointed them out, but they're right down here. Those are wings. So if you wanted to, like, I think these would be so cute, cut out in vellum and then glued on the back of them. There's so many possibilities. So here's the outside, and now look at the inside where they're, like, staring at you. Oh, my goodness, it's so cute. I love this. All right, let's look at I'll show you my next sample, then Shannon's. I'm saving hers to last because in my opinion, it's the cutest. So here's my next sample. And you guys, I film my process because you're going to want to know how to do it. But I loved how they looked mirrored on the water. Like, couldn't you just see these little guys playing out in the snow? I guess I'm inspired by snow because possibly we might see a flake in the next 5 days or something here. Maybe a flake. It's supposed to be cold and maybe get a flake. We'll see. But I thought these guys were so cute, and I loved how they looked in the little water down there. And on the inside, it says, these silly monsters say, you're my kind of creature. Love these. Oh, my gosh. All right, Shannon's, which I think is the cutest. If you have ever wanted to have a monster dance party, this is it. Look at this card. Now, it's cute, right? It's real cute. These silly monsters say, have a monstrously great day. Look, they're all on Wibble Wobbles. No, they're actually wobbles. I forget what they're called. Action wobbles. They're actually on action wobbles. Look how cute they are. And they pop off the page. What person, kid, adult, anybody would not love this? It's like a modern day fidget spinner. It's not even that modern really, I guess, because it's card making. And then on the inside, she did, you're the best. Isn't that cute? All right, guys, it's adorable. Now, I know what you're thinking. You think I don't know, but I read your mind. Are you ready for this? Here's what you're thinking. What if I'm not in the club? Can I get this set? Because I would want it too. And yes, you can. This set, here's how we do this. We bring in our first order. We ship out to club members first. And what's left in that first order goes in the store. And then once those are gone or close to gone, we reorder more. So these will stay in the store. But if you want to pick yourself some up, you can, even if you're not in the club. Club members, yours are already in the mail to you. All right, you know the deal. I want to see what you guys do. These were our first 3 ideas. I want to see your ideas, and I want to see it in 2 places. Number 1, on our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and number 2, on our Discord. Discord. You guys got to join Discord. It's too fun. We're like at over 1,300 members in Discord, and we are having a really good time over there. So go check that out. All that's linked in the description below. But the best part, if you make a project with this stamp set and you load it to our customer gallery, just a photo of it, you're entered to win a $50 gift card. We give away one $50 gift card every month to previous stamp sets. So we'll have a winner for last month in the description below. And if you put a picture up, you can be entered to win for next month. Thanks so much, guys, for being a part of our club. Look out, because this year's just going to be fun. I'm just doing fun in both clubs, because we have a scripture club as well. It's going to be fun, and I think you're going to like it. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching today. Till next time. Bye now.